In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can record a voiceover directly in DaVinci Resolve 20. So in DaVinci Resolve, make sure you're in the Edit option here at the bottom. And then here we can go to this little microphone icon which says Voiceover. And when you click Voiceover here, you get a new window. And in this new window, as you can see, it is specifically to record a voiceover, and you have several options. So you can change your file name, you can change the input if you have other microphone you want to use, and you can choose the record track. So at the moment it's set to auto, but you can also choose a track yourself. But as you can see, I only have one audio track here. So what I can do is go to this audio track and then click here in this free space, right click, and then choose add a track, and I'm going to choose mono. So now I have a second audio track, and then I can choose here in the record track to record on audio too. We also have several options. If we click these three dots here, you can choose input monitoring if you want to, so you can see the monitor level. You can also mute the timeline audio while recording, which is a really nice option to have, which basically, when you are recording a voiceover, it will mute the existing audio so it won't interfere with the voiceover. And then you can also hide the options if you want to. And then when you're ready to record, so for the moment I'm on audio 2, I'm here, you can also enable a 3 seconds countdown, which is nice to have. And then when you click here, you will start your voiceover. So let's click. Now the countdown begins. This is a voiceover directly in DaVinci Resolve 20. And then press spacebar to stop recording. And as you can see here, I have recorded a voiceover. And you can shorten this, move it around if you want to place it somewhere else. But now you have recorded a voiceover directly into DaVinci Resolve 20 using the record voiceover option. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.